When you talked about getting a dip after witnessing growth, this took me back to 2016 when I went to United States as a cultural ambassador of my country. And when I came back, I thought my next achievement would be higher than this. My next target was actually Silicon Valley, but I could never go back to that place again. But before that, I had achieved many things career wise, and I started believing that the graph of success always goes upward. But when I went through downfall or dip, as you said, that made me realize no matter how accomplished we are, we can be zero anytime. So, whatever I had experienced was real, but suddenly I became a regular person. That was actually a very humbling journey, but that was and still is most painful period of my life. I lost the confidence that I had developed over time. I went into self-doubt, went through the valley of depression. Instead of going into Silicon Valley, I went into the valley of depression. So now when I see my achievements, I don't believe that those are mine. This is what downfall did to me. And since then, I am in a continuous struggle to overcome it. I would say career freaks like me never stay satisfied. They need one achievement after another, and this thing keeps them in a continuous state of restlessness. But we need to learn to be happy regardless of achievements. Keep hustling, but never make your life hell by being unhappy due to achievements. In fact, your happiness should not depend on your achievements. Try to understand that. Sooner you will understand that, sooner your life will become easier. I genuinely pray that may you achieve huge success and never be deprived from the rewards of your hard work.